I will be teaching you how to make money with no sales, no followers on social media, no cameras, no money invested, and no hard work involved. You can earn money online without doing any of these things, or at least not doing them yourself. I'll show you through every step of how to make $40 per day while doing nothing at all. We're going to go over the entire process step by step together, and after that, I'll let you decide if you think this is a profitable business strategy for you. Remember to keep watching until the very end to find out how to make your first $50 to $100 online. Don't let the chance pass you by. This may be done by anyone from any country with a good results. Before we start, welcome to the channel, Zilla Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you are new on this channel and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Go to this website, Shortee.st. This is a fantastic tool that allows users like you and me to get income by shortening URLs. This platform will pay you money for simply pasting any random URL on their platform and shortening it, similar to many other link shortening services available online. Now to start making money with the links you are going to be shortening, you will have to drag traffic to that link, and they will pay you for every time someone clicks on the link. This is due to the fact that if a person clicks on your link, this platform will display a quick advertisement, which may be a video, banner, or pop-up. You would receive a commission on the money that these advertisers pay this platform to promote their content. I'll be showing you how you can get thousands of people to click on your link all for free. As you can see right here, monetize your website and links you share. Smart and easy way to get extra income from your traffic. This is actually a picture representation of how this works. 1. Users visit your page and click a link. 2. They see ads on intermediate page. 3. You earn money with every ad display. These are all the process involved. They will turn your links into earning by adding an ad layer. Your visitors will see an ad before reaching a destination page and you will make money. Is that simple? Let's scroll down, and right here, they have over 300,000 users ranging from website and blog owners, social media and community members, online marketers and affiliates. Down again, right here we have variety of tools designed for different needs and purposes, all in this one platform. Complete stats. This will help you see what brings you the most earnings and modify strategies to increase your profits. Website scripts. This will help you use copy and paste configurable scripts and easily monetize visits to your website in various ways. Social widgets. This platform will help you have even your Facebook, Twitter, G+ shares monetized. WP and Blogspot tools. This will help you benefit from smart solutions for the most popular website engines and blogging platforms. Affiliates. You will get paid every time you refer someone and earn a 20% lifetime commission. And finally, we have API. This will help you shorten links more quickly with easy-to-use API and bring your creative and advanced ideas to life. If we go down again, right here just today they have made over 8 million link click today, and they have had over 2.9 billion link shortened in total, as a whole with over 1.5 million users worldwide. They have highly covetable ads, they pay out on time, and they have a dedicated customer agent to help assist you in anything you want to do. Click on the benefit tab up here. You will be redirected on this page right here. On this page, we have 6 benefits. Benefit number 1, it has a wide range of monetization tools for publishers, ready-to-use scripts and plugins. 2, they offer only premium ads with global coverage. 3, they have a high CPM rates premium ads with premium payouts. 4, you can work with them anytime and anywhere. 5, You will have the chance to see your real-time statistics of your earnings up to date. And lastly, all you have to do is join the network and become one of their satisfied users. To get started, click right up here on Join. Once you do that, you will land on this page right here. Now you can sign up with your Google account, or you can just put in your email address. Confirm your email address, your password, click and agree to the terms and condition. Click on I am not a robot, and once you are done, click on register. Once you do that, you will land on this page right here. As you can see, right here is where you can shorten your links. On the top bars, we have statistics, we have shop, we have link tools, and we have your profile, which is called shortener. If you take your mouse to the profile area, you are going to see withdraw, settings, and logout. And as you can see, I have $0 because I have not made any money yet. We have 5 chart lines that represents your earning on the chart as seen below. We have the website script, we have the short links, we have the referrals, we have others. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on payout rates right here, you are going to land on this page. On this page, you are going to get an idea of how much you can make from each country per 1,000 clicks. As you can see, you can make $14 for 1,000 USA clicks. You can make $10 for United Kingdom clicks. You can make $8 for Australian clicks. If you scroll throughout this page, you are going to see different amount from every country, as you can see. This platform will reward you with a $1 bonus for your first 1,000 clicks. Let us take a look at how you can be able to withdraw from this platform. Take your mouse to the top right here on your balance. On the drop down, click on withdraw. You will land on this page. On this page, you are going to see 2 withdrawal process to use. We have WebMoney and we have Payoneer. They both have different minimum amount of payout. WebMoney has the minimum withdrawal amount is $5. Payoneer has a minimum withdrawal amount is $20. And that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for new videos uploaded weekly. See you in the next video.